Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you how to make dorayaki. Dorayaki is a traditional Japanese sweet which is famous for favorite food of Doraemon. Before that, let me introduce Box. Today's video is sponsored by Box, the monthly subscription service of Japanese snacks. Consists of very popular product among us Japanese. When I opened the box, I found so many snacks I used to eat as a child, and this reminds me of so many childhood memories, and I'm almost crying. Especially this one, Dondonyaki. It's a rice snack seasoned with tonkatsu sauce, that's with some magic powder, I don't know what it is, and aonori seaweed. Let me taste it with organic genmaicha, which is a green tea with a roasted brown rice. It's a very fragrant tea, kindly packed with these lovely snacks. What I like the most about the box is you will get a little bit of everything comes in one box. One more thing I should mention is puku tai. It's made of airy chocolate and wafers. Do you remember my taiyaki video? We are told that the ladies should start eating from the tail fin because it looks humble. It's an outdated tradition, but very Japanese. We have a lot of good snacks that you can't find it in your country, and if you don't know about what to choose, the box will do it for you. I'm sure it will be fun to open the box every month. They include a brochure explaining the story behind each snack and about Japanese culture. Click the link down below and you will get a 10% off of your own authentic Japanese snack box from Box using my link. A big thanks to Box for sponsoring this video. Let's go back to dorayaki. It's easy to make dessert and you can grab and go to your lunchtime. Let's get started. First, let's make Anko. Please check my former video on how to make Anko from scratch. Of course, you can use a store-bought. Choose the one with low sugar content if you can. Next, let's make dorayaki pancakes. Mochi texture dorayaki pancakes are trendy in Japan, so I introduce you to the one with Mochi-ko. Combine Mochi-ko and water. The bowl is too small to mix, so I changed to a larger in size. Crack your eggs in a large bowl. Whisk until egg yolks and white well combine. Try not to make foam on the surface. If there are foams, the pancakes has a chance to cook unevenly. Add in sugar and whisk until well combined. The sugar should be dissolved in the egg, but the weather getting colder, so it's not easy to dissolve just by whisking. It's better to warm it up with hot water. Whisk constantly while warming. When you touch the egg mixture and you don't feel anything, it's good to go. Pour 1/4 of the egg mixture into the rice flour paste. Whisk well to make a smooth paste. Mix well and make sure there is no lump. Use a spatula at first to loosen up the rice paste. Then switch to a whisk. It doesn't seem it makes a smooth paste at first. Whisk vigorously and you can get the smooth paste. Add in the rest of the egg mixture in 3 stages and whisk well each time. Sift in your flour and whisk to combine. Let your whisk go around the bowl and rotate the bowl at the same time like this. You can mix the flour at the minimum mixing. Because I don't want to develop the gluten so much, to avoid over mixing, use your whisk like this to make fluffy dorayaki pancakes. Add in mirin and baking soda solution. Mirin gives a nice browning on the surface. If you don't have it, substitute with honey. Pass through a sieve to remove any lumps. Cover with plastic and let it sit for at least 30 minutes to relax the gluten. Preheat the electric griddle on 130 to 140 degrees Celsius if you have one. Or you can use your non-stick pan. Preheat on very low heat. Grease the surface with a little bit of vegetable oil. If there is a lot of oil remains, your dorayaki will have uneven browning. Drop a ladleful of butter onto the griddle or frying pan. It's about 8 to 10 cm in diameter round. You don't want to spread the butter because it will spread by itself while heating. All you want to do is scoop the same amount of the butter. Cook until the bubbles coming up on the surface for about 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully flip it over and cook another 1 minute. Take out onto a tray. My first batch is a little bit too brown, so I drop the temperature to 120 degrees Celsius. My second batch looks good, so it is good idea to pan fry a piece of pancake before give it a go. Today I make mini dorayaki for my temple offering. Drop a tablespoonful of butter and pan fry 4 cm in diameter pancakes. To assemble the dorayaki, simply sandwich a tablespoon of Anko and press down to stick each other. Wrap with a piece of plastic and put it together even tighter. Do the same to the larger dorayaki. Here is the one in trend in Japan. Place a little bit less amount of Anko in the center and spread it. Top with a spoonful of whipping cream and sandwich with a pancake. There you have it. Usually, dorayaki is very sweet for me, but both dorayaki pancakes and Anko are not overly sweet because I adjust the sugar amount to my taste. The texture is chewy, we say mochi-mochi texture, and it is so delicious. You can freeze the dorayaki and keep in the freezer and take it out when you want it. And if you have a guest in your house, serve with green tea and it would be a great tea time. Anko goes well with whipping cream. Make a traditional dorayaki light and modern. Which would you like to try? All Anko or Anko and whipping cream? Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!